Hey, this is Brian from DisableMyCable.com, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for the 4th generation Tablo broadcast TV DVR. So this is a device you would use to record broadcast TV using an antenna. Now, I've been a fan of Tablo products for a long time, but I was disappointed when they got rid of their lifetime subscription option and made it so that you had to pay a monthly fee for the channel guide, which I thought was against the whole idea of broadcast TV and really something that I didn't like, and it stopped me from endorsing Tablo as my #1 pick. But now Tablo has just introduced their new device. It says subscription free. So my understanding is that it has a 2-week free channel guide. And I will do a full review and a video and a blog post on this product after I've had a chance to test it. But today we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. So I didn't get it with the antenna, but you can get an antenna from them. Record 50 hours, has internal storage. Okay, this is kind of a look at the app. Let's go ahead and open this. And this is interesting that, once it's opened, it's open. You can't, I guess the store can't be selling a returned product as new because this thing will be gone. So let's tear that off. Interesting. Ooh, this pulls out like this kind of handle here. It's kind of like Apple, very Apple-like. With this rubber, this is a rubber handle and specifically made for this. Okay. So, okay, well, it's got some plastic over there. Let's see, let's pull this out. Wow, it's smaller than I thought. And the big question is, for me, was like, what kind of I/O does it have? So an antenna, looks like a USB, Ethernet, and power here. And that's the bottom. Maybe some cooling holes. It's very light. It's, yeah, like I said, it's smaller than I thought. Very Apple-like. Now, the previous Tablo, some people had cooling problems, so I wonder if this one will run hot as well. We'll see. Some mounting holes, rubber feet on the bottom. Okay, let's open this guy, get this out. So we have a quick start guide. Oh, and mounting instructions. Okay, so how to mount it to a wall. And the quick start. What's in the box? Ethernet cable, power supply, quick start. Okay, so antenna, USB, Ethernet, power. So right now it's available for Roku, Fire TV, iOS, Android, and I believe it's coming for other devices soon. Okay, and here we have the, oh yeah, very sort of Apple-like. Power supply is, oh, wow, it even has mounting screws. That's interesting. I don't know, I don't think a lot of people will wall mount it, but I don't know, because it's nice that they have that. This part is, okay. Okay, so we have a kind of wall wart power supply. And here, let's see what we have here. Okay, so here we just have an Ethernet cable. There's no markings on it, so I don't know if it's what kind of the quality of the cable, but there you go. And so there you have it. My impression, this is plastic. It's pretty light. I like the look. I just hope the thermal considerations have been dealt with in this model. I'll definitely look for that and see how hot it runs. But there you go. It looks really nice. It looks nicer than I like the white color and the Tablo embossed on the top. So very Apple-like packaging, and we'll see how it goes. So that's just the unboxing. I will do a full review of it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see that, or check out my blog, disablemycable.com, in the coming days. All right. Thanks a lot.